showing you step by step how to change the BPM of an audio file in Logic. So for the sake of this video, I have a 70s rock piano loop playing here. So let's just take a listen to how that sounds at 110 bits per minute. Take a listen. All right, so now if I want to change the BPM of this audio file, all I need to do is to make sure I unlock the audio file, because sometimes they're locked. And if you, for example, were to go to File by double clicking here, Functions, you can see that the time and pitch machine has been grayed out. The way to solve this problem is to go back to the main track and highlight everything and bounce it in place by clicking Control B. Okay, so I'm gonna bounce that in place and delete the first one. So now we have an unlocked file, and if we double click on it, go over to File here, Functions and Time and Pitch Machine, you can see that it's no longer grayed out. So I'm gonna click on that. This is the original tempo, and this is, let's say, the destination tempo. Let's just make it a bit faster. Let's say 140 beats per minute, and then click on Process and Paste, right? So now let's take a listen to how that sounds with a faster BPM. So as you can see, we have been able to change the BPM from 110 to 140 super easily. It's important to note that there are different modes. There's the free and classical. I usually go with the free all the time. With the algorithms, there are different. Universal works pretty well for most audio files. If you have a drum audio, you can try the percussive. It's a bit smoother. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.